Welcome to another episode of Two Trippin' Chicks. I'm Mary Jane. And today we have a package to open. This is the accessories that I ordered for my phone. The red hydrogen one. It's wet. Ooh, it came. Hundred megabytes a second transfer rate, 4K Ultra HD, micro SD, XCI 3, version 30, A1. 250 gigs of nano. Comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Red Hydrogen LLC micro SD card is covered by a 3-year limited warranty from the original data purchase as provided on in www.h4v.com/SD card warranty. That's the website. Made in Taiwan. So there it is, folks. Pop that baby in. See, the phone comes with a base of 128 gigs of physical memory, and then this expands it. So, ta-da! And then I got a little extra something here for me. Ooh, look at that. That's sticky. I can put it somewhere. Red Media Machine Hydrogen. And that's the hydrogen symbol right there. The atomic symbol for hydrogen. It's got some weight to it. It's made out of metal. Now, if you buy your phone brand new, it's going to come with this. Mine didn't because I bought it on eBay. And whoever I bought it from kept his. Which, if you're not going to keep the phone, why keep this? It makes no sense. So anyways, there you have it. So, red hydrogen accessories. So, I'm going to pop this card into the phone. So, yeah. There's going to be one other accessory that I'm going to order, and that's going to be a gamer's pad for my desk. Then I got to clean up the desktop. So, yeah. I'm thinking I'm going to put that right there on my monitor space. It fits. Make a little badge. Put it right there. Or I could stick it on the wall. Now I'm going to put it on the put it like right there. Yeah. I'll leave it right there for now. So I will get back to you on how this memory and everything's working. So love my phone. Go out and get one. You won't be disappointed. Have a good night.